This video is sponsored by MONITIZATION It's the best platform to get subscribers and watch time and to earn money. Link in the description. There are a lot of apps in the Play Store which are secretly hidden and you don't know. After doing a lot of research, I have found 6 of those apps. So let's get it started. This is the PowerShade app. Let's start off by enabling the permissions given over here. Once you're done with it, you can slide down and see the magic. Your notification bar is customized. Now you can go to layout and customize your notification bar however you wish. You can change its color, change the icons, and if you want you can buy the premium version too. It might cost some amount of money and you can add colors for it by changing the background color, tile color, and it has a lot of features. Whenever you slide down, it feels so satisfying and it's like your mobile is kind of very upgraded right now. It's great. Second up, you have the Chrooma Keyboard. So until these days, I was using the Google keyboard. It would really hang a lot. Then I found out the Chrooma Keyboard. So first install this app onto your mobile and then you have to enable some permissions. After that, you get the app itself. You get different skins over that and you can choose which skin you want and then you can see what happens. So I had a lot of ad interruptions over here, and if you want you can buy the premium version too, which might cost a little bit of money. And now you can see I'm going to type something over here, and when I press it, it feels so comfortable, durable and much more. And you can see you get suggestions over there. You get different emojis, GIFs, and even the voice writing also. The autocorrect does a pretty good job here. These gestures are also doing a great job. So all links of the app are given in the description. Third up, you got the bottom quick settings. Nowadays, people are a lot addicted to iPhones and iPhones are very famous. So if you want to convert your mobile like iPhone, you can just download this app. So as you know, iPhone have that bottom notification bar. Same kind you can have this in your mobile. You can download this app and whatever you want you can just add to your settings and you can see the magic by scrolling up. You get a lot of settings over there. You can change it whatever you like and you can customize your phone in your own wish. The only disadvantage here is that while you slide up, you might touch the home button too, which might cause you to get out of the app. That won't happen in iPhone, but it will happen here. Here is the 4K wallpaper app. It also does a very good job. It's called Wallify also. When you open this app, you get plenty of wallpapers. Whichever you want, you can download and they are in 4K Ultra HD. I know most of the people will tell these apps are common, but this app is multi-talented. Like you get all kind of wallpapers, including those of marshmallows and those kind of things, cars and all those things. As you can see, I am setting a wallpaper over here and for cars. The only thing here is it's an online app. It might take long time for to search the results. Next up is the viral icon pack. It doesn't work on my phone, but let me show some clips of it. It's an icon pack. Once if you download it, you won't have that feel of deleting that app. It's so nice. That too, it works so nicely on those Instagram icons rather than those camera icons. Here is the Morphin app. It's basically an app which can morph your face and apply it to another GIF or something like that. Here are some of the clips. It's not my face, but it's morphed. You can see how nice it is. It's great. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you're watching till now. If you're watching till now, a huge thanks for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn the bell icon on. Until that, I'll meet you on the next one. Bye.